Make sure that before you watch the video,
Bite a phone case,
you
chew on
change
it,
the
and
speed
swallow it?
to
Do you like your
2.
gadget so much that you are ready to eat it? Nope, you've just got a new edible phone case. How?
Oh, I'm super excited because it's the beach sale. My dad just bought me 1 year of VIP. And guys, I don't know. I know it's not good if you like waste money on games and stuff, but if you really want VIP, I know an argument that you can always use. So you should always say you only live once. You know? Because I mean you only live once, and the offer is only also just only once, I think. And look at this cute turtle. So happy, but I don't know which colors to put it in. I'm thinking red. Yeah, I'm thinking like this color. I'm thinking this is like my red pack. Choosing colors is always the hardest thing for me because, I mean, you only get to choose the colors once, you know? Okay, so I think this is good, and I'll just leave that like that. Are you ready? I have nothing in my piggy bank, but... Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I really want to buy fan booster. What? Oh, I have to reload the whole thing. Super annoying. Holy cow, oh my god, guys. You don't know how happy I am right now. What? I have enough diamonds. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back to you if I figure this out. Is it just going on here? Should I get my prize now? What? Oh no, I don't want to claim them now already. Oh, so dumb. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna see you if I figure this out. Okay, so guys, I still haven't figured this out. I moved the face cam to there, so it's better for me to like click on things, and I don't know. I'm gonna log in now and let's see if it works now. I don't know what happened here, like do we have to click on here? I don't know, do we have to spin the wheel? I'm gonna spin the wheel anyway now. Oh my god, guys, we're already 3 minutes into the video and I don't even have a level up and more level 3. This is stupid. If it doesn't work now... What? This is... What the heck? Yeah, like... Guys... Is it gonna work now? What? Guys, I'm gonna see if it works. Okay, guys, I just did everything I could. It's not working. See, it's not working. I think I just gotta... Okay, we're gonna try to buy, like... I don't know, we're gonna try to buy this jacket. Will it work? Yeah! See, that worked. But the rest won't... But the fan booster won't work. What the heck? See? It's really weird. Okay, so guys, I guess we just have to open these like regular. I know I look super bad right now. It's just really weird that like I can't buy fan boosters. It's just really weird and annoying and I buy it now. Oh! It worked! Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, it worked. We got fan boosters. 5 minutes in and we only just opened our presents. Okay. It's just great. I have to get an autograph. Could somebody please Yes! Now we can get it! Okay, this will be the level up. Cool, I'm already level 7, guys. This is crazy. Wanna be in my YouTube video? I'm making my own. Sorry. Filming, yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna choose the shark. What? Guys, you're just leveling up. And we haven't even opened everything. This is just crazy. Okay, she's asking me for VIP. Level 11. Ow! Rare Ariana hair. Rare Ariana hair. Rare Ariana hair. I'm gonna take a damn bomb. Please, I beg you. And I say no. Should we get the boots or the hair? Ooh, guys, we're already level 13. Seriously? We haven't even opened anything. Wow, we're already gonna level up. Oh, I think I'm gonna get these hands. No. Okay, guys, so I'm really uncreative, so I'm just gonna go to my friend. Wait. Summer exists. Yeah, that's her. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna create a look of her. I'm gonna exit this. She made a look of this super cool like person, and I really want to buy this because I don't know, I just feel like it would look great. So, this girl is getting on my nerves. I don't know, should I buy this? It would be like pretty much money. I don't know. Okay, let's do it. Now to improve our face. Because I really want to improve my face. Okay, so she's just giving me gifts. So first I want brown eyes. But I also want like pretty blue eyes. Like that. I can't even see anything through those glasses, but it will be alright. This nose as well. This color. Okay, so she's just giving me gifts, which I don't really... Why? Okay, she wants my channel name, guys, but this is my first video. And I don't even know what I'm gonna call my channel. Help me. Okay, it's just fine. Back to the clothing, and I want to buy my own stuff. So guys, I'm thinking that I'm gonna do the room off camera, so... Cause I don't want my YouTube video to be too long. Okay, we're at 12 minutes, and I think we're gonna create our own look, and then it's gonna be it for this video. That looks good to me. And then maybe we can get to like striped fanny pack. Yeah. And then shoes. We need shoes. We need shoes for plumbing hair. Shoes. Let's go to sneakers. Maybe we could make this like this. No, it's such a pretty blue that they use, and I can only like pick this ugly blues. Oh my god, I think I got the blue. Okay, so we just bought that look. Oh my god, animations, guys. Animations. Oh my god, yes, I love turtles. The people who know me know that I absolutely love turtles. Like, turtles is my bae.